In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly and legally tag a vehicle for towing whenever they are abandoned on your property. So we have this vehicle that is abandoned on our property and we need it towed off. In order to do so though, you have to follow laws and regulations to do it properly. So this is the process. We like to use this company called Klaus Towing, and we are located in Colorado. So this is going to be up to date for the Colorado laws and regulations. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is write your date and the time that you're writing the tag, and you put the reason. You have to be careful to select the correct reason for why you want the vehicle towed off of your property. It depends on your local laws and regulations. I know that since I'm in Colorado, I know the rules. So what you can see on this form right here is there is an option for expired tags and no tags. And according to some new regulations and laws in Colorado, those are no longer valid reasons. So don't select those. So if it's a vehicle that you aren't familiar with and it shouldn't be on your property, the best thing that the company told me to write is that it's an abandoned vehicle. The reason why it's an abandoned vehicle is we don't know who owns it, we don't know when it's going to leave, and we don't know how long it's been on the property. They aren't supposed to be on the property. So what we do is, since it's a residential property, they have 24 hours to remove the vehicle. If not, after 24 hours or any time after 24 hours, the company can come out and tow it, even if they remove this sticker. When I'm placing the sticker, I like to wipe the dirt and stuff off of the glass so that it sticks nice and securely. And just go ahead and tap it on there. I don't want to push it too hard, but you know, these stickers are made purposely to stick very well. So in Colorado, the new law says that it has to be on the front windshield, and it has to be in the lower left side when you're looking at the vehicle. So on the passenger side. So if somebody's sitting in the passenger of the vehicle, it needs to be right there. So I've now placed that. You can see it filled out, and then I need to get a photo, and then I can call the company. So after 24 hours, I will go ahead and call the company and they'll remove it. That gives the person time to, see the notice and remove the vehicle off the private property. If they choose not to, or they don't see it in time, there's nothing I can do about it. Sometimes I personally like to wait. If it's not urgent, I'll wait like 2 days. Just because I really don't want someone's vehicle towed, but at the same time, my instructions from my employer are remove vehicles that are abandoned on the properties. So that's something that needs to get done. You also have to make sure you have towing signs for on the property at the entrance, that there's no abandoned vehicles permitted on the property and that it's private property. One more thing to note is that if it's commercial property, you don't have to give the notice. If somebody abandons a vehicle on commercial property, then the company will come out right away and remove it for you. So keep that in mind based off the zoning of the property that you have. Hope that was helpful for you.